Ain't that? He on her side anyway.
Exactly. We have to start over and start like a three-way.
Oh yeah, you can. You know how to do that shit.
I don't really know how. How would the church set this up? That wouldn't even make any sense.
I ain't lie on Nature
How
Boy
would I
not
set
one
this up
time.
if Nature
I
Boy?
ain't lie on him. Tell me what lie I told on Nature Boy. I'm done with what? No, I ain't see his comments. He
Oh, this place
flying
don't
them.
do
I
no
can't see flying
responding.
comments. Uh, over an outfit, bro? You killing me over an outfit? Nature Boy don't want no smoke with me. I beat Nature Boy ass in real life, nigga. I ain't one of them. I never drink your sperm, nigga. I knock your bitch ass straight out. In Jesus' name. Stupid. I ain't none of them, bro. On God. And I want all that smoke you be giving away. I beat your ass. I want all of it. In Jesus' name. Fuck you talking about. You better keep flying them so I can't see them. The nigga you apologize to for trying to talk to my baby mama, nigga. Me, nigga.
She done with me. She said she done with me. What you mean? She's almost. What the fuck going on?
What's up, bro?
Yo, what's good?
What's up, baby? You already know I got your back. At the end of the day, she on a whole nother live talking about you, and y'all had, in my eyes, I can only speak for me. Y'all had a good day. I heard an episode happen. I didn't see it for myself, so I'm not gonna speak on it. But now I just looked on her live, and she on there with Pastor P, and he talking all this shit about. I beat that nigga ass. That nigga ain't fuck with me. I ain't drinking his sperm. Like, where the fuck did that come from, though? Like literally, I could click on it right now, and if you think I'm bullshitting, I got another phone, and I look. Wait a minute. You think I'm bullshitting? I got another phone, and I look. Wait a minute. Let me cam up. Let me cam up. Hold on. Wait a minute. Let me cam up. She's sitting here talking to this nigga about you.
And you took that off?
Nature Boy jealous. And it's a fact. How many times I flirted with you, period? I ain't never said nothing to her. I only inbox her about shit that be going on in our family. Like, shit, chill on this and feel with nothing but respect, bro. They just mad. They mad. But I'm not branding, y'all. I'm not hydrated. I don't be thirsty for that shit, cuz. I don't do none of that. And I ain't tell you shit about Nature Boy, because everything he do public. That's why I say, I ain't gonna tell you shit. Because he public. I don't hate on dude because y'all know what y'all getting into. But if you don't know and I tell you, that's on you. I ain't saying, bitch, leave him alone because he do this. Do what he showed me. This what he showed me. I don't give a fuck about him listening. This what he showed me. This what he do. I know what type of nigga he is. On God, I know a nigga just like him. I promise you. I know his light-skinned twin. You get that outfit, if I spend anything on you, it's possession now. That's where we start grabbing hands and shit. I done bought her this. It can go from, I don't know if I can hold her hand after I buy you something. I can hold your hand and all that. Now I'm testing the water. Oh, I got her. I got her. She let me hold her hand. I got her. Mind game. And he's a master at it. He's a master at manipulating them. I mean, it ain't even manipulation because they know what's going on. It's just people that don't know. Like, and y'all get caught in that web and he drops some dick on you or something. Y'all be stuck. Y'all be stuck thinking you can deal with it and change your motherfucker. Can't change Nature Boy. He is who he is. And he got enough bitches. You shouldn't want to be with no nigga in your 20s. that already got 5 or 6 bitches. You should. Like, I don't even want to try out for that team. You got a whole starting 5 already, man. How much attention can I get?
Yeah,
It's 24 hours in a day, and it's 5 of us. 6 of us now with me. What you been do? Like, I can't get dick when I want to. Your dick never not gonna work for 6 bitches every day. Nah. It'll be different if he loved them girls. If he loved his wives, it'll be different. I wouldn't hate on him, but he don't love them. He don't love them at all. Nature boy love nature boy. That's why he can let them beat each other to a fucking pulp. Never seen a man want to see women fight till they fucking eyes is busted and knee stitches and medical attention, and you sit there and keep making them fight until this bitch to jump in it. If they don't keep fighting, bitch, you go fight or I'm gonna make them jump you. Like, that ain't love, bro. That ain't love, nigga. You weird as fuck, bro. That's weird as fuck. That ain't no learned behavior. You just did some weird shit. Then you go lay with these beat up, bruised ass bitches in the bed and try to kiss on them, and they talking about something, because the wounds and the knots and the heat gets hurt on
a whole clown.
You can get some fucking beans and views, bro. You're a weird ass, stupid ass, lame ass, great. You shouldn't call no black woman queen. I've never seen the queen do that. The queen made the pawns do that. The queen, never seen the queen out there fight with other queens. Don't do that. And they in the same castle. No fucking war. And it ain't supposed to be no war within the castle. Ain't no war inside the castle. We go fight against other nations when we go to war. That nigga weird. And he make them believe that's love. He's weird as fuck. In real life, y'all go fight. I'm gonna make these bitches fight. Queen and king. And what if he had to make him fight too? That's weird. You got all that respect for men, though. King this, king that, king this, king that. The black man is king. Bitch. He's saying bitch to the people he love. I'm saying bitch to these bitches. He talking to the motherfuckers he love that cook for him, that can poison him, get him out of here. Because he God. Doing it to their husbands and shit. Making their husbands drink his sperm and shit. Doing it to their wives while they in another house. The fuck? You weird as fuck. You don't love nobody. You definitely don't love them niggas to be putting your dick in their wife. Because if you catch any of them fucking Liyah or whoever they were, them bitches in the house, you gonna go 24 karat crazy. Share your bitches if it's love. Let them fuck on your bitches if it's love. Motherfuckers should have a whole goddamn Rodney Jeremy Pornhub house. You ain't gonna be fucking on my bitch. You stupid. Bet you ain't gonna give a fuck what you talking about. You gonna carbonation my ass. And he got men to believe that he's supposed to be fucking their wife. They believe that they supposed to sacrifice their wife. I wonder what he said on to make them think that's okay. Isolate them motherfuckers. The best way to get anybody is isolate them. On God, I used to read these books, I swear to God. And that's what the Art of Seduction, 48 Laws of Power. Them books ain't got a fucking picture in them. It's nothing but boring ass words, and it really tell you shit that you be doing every day and you just don't see it. You just naturally know what you doing. Like, a motherfucker might want to take you on a date just because he want to take you. But when you learn the book and shit, you start manipulating women. You start watching them and you see what they like. You see what they man do wrong. You see what they complain about. And you become all the shit they complain about. Until you get the motherfucker. Y'all tell us what y'all want. We just gotta listen. After you tell us and we listen, we can get you because we just listen to you complain about your ass nigga all the time. Want you, then I gotta isolate you, so can't nobody else get to you. That's why, I swear, my girl, I tell you, the first place I took her was California. I promise you, the first date was Cali. I'm isolating you. You go, trust me. It wasn't to manipulate, but it was to make her trust me, because if I isolate you, you don't know nobody here, you gotta trust me. You got to.
She should be shutting that shit down.
On the first date, I built it. I just didn't put all that aggressive shit dude did with it. And I'll reel your ass in for the long run. I done got away with a whole bunch of shit that I shouldn't have. I done dealt with a whole bunch of shit, but it's all about motherfucking getting in their brain. You gotta get in their brain. And the best way to do y'all young ones is because y'all don't know shit. You ain't bumped your head to know that he running game on you. You don't know it. The next nigga ain't gonna get it off, but Nature Boy would. The next nigga wasn't gonna have a chance. We gonna be like, hell no, that aggression shit, watch it. I ain't sent her on no mission.
They started a lottery. And she started lotteries. I don't know why y'all think he was sending me on that information. That would be weird as fuck.
Hey, I want you to only think about me.
How would he send me on this mission when Nature Boy pursued me? That wouldn't even make sense. So that would mean he would have to tell Nature Boy to do that.
Now, why would Nature Boy all of a sudden come after you with all these women on the app? He picked you.
He was like, oh, I never seen somebody just get the amount of views that you get for no reason, da-da-da-da-da-da. That's
how long ago did he try to talk to you?
I think maybe a week or two ago.
I say about a week.
Yeah, like a week.
After you fell out with all of them, after you fell out with Keys, before you put on the badge, but after you fell out with Keys and all them and you wasn't, we ain't sitting with you, He wouldn't have picked you. There's a million motherfuckers on this app that's in his face all the time. He ain't picked you. You were chosen.
It is some weird shit. And I'm pretty much everything that he hates, no shade to myself. You know what I mean?
I don't care about Nature Boy listening. His truth got him all them hoes, so me telling the truth about him shouldn't hate. I'm saying the same shit he say. Don't let your kids come around me because if they do, I'll be asshole naked. He said that. Now let my kids touch me. He said that. I ain't say that. This is promotion, nigga. This ain't hating. I'm promoting everything you went live advertising. This is free promotion. You took a woman off her medication and she died because you said you could cure her. And if you can cure a woman who's finna die, I know you ain't sending Liyah and them to the doctor about no STD. You can cure them. If the truth hurt, nigga, you know what it is. Why you want these young ladies? You can be looking through velvet windows in Puerto Rico with a whole new nigga. Because you want to see your baby that you miss. You ain't thinking about your baby right now, nigga. Out of sight, out of mind. As soon as that baby get in your goddamn visual contact lens tunnel vision, here you go want to see your baby. You ain't mentioned that baby. And you bought Liyah something and you ain't bought that baby shit. Facts. You ain't bought that baby shit.
That ain't true. He speak about his daughter all the time.
All in somebody's window. Your ass shouldn't be here right now in real life. Look through my motherfucking window about your baby and I go with your girl now. Your ass be looking at Jesus through a casket. All in somebody's motherfucking blinds. Crazy ass nigga. You just told this lady she was yours because you bought her an outfit and fed her. Nigga, what type of nigga is you? You mine. You belong to me. I want all your energy. I'm jealous. I don't like that. You giving somebody your energy. Damn, pat her on the back. You hear me, baby? You hear me? I'm giving them motherfuckers your attention. You hear me, baby? For real, man. You know?
I'm jealous.
Get you a drink. Have some fun. It's Friday. Why ain't nobody letting their hair down at your house, bitch? Why y'all not turning up at your house? Why only Liyah get to turn up? I'm asking. I saw two other hoes over there.
Ain't Jerry cool with Keys and them too?
Is this live?
All this
Yeah, this live now on my other phone.
Man, turn that shit.
This is what she's saying right now.
It's Friday. Come on,
Man,
turn
I
it
don't
up.
want to hear that. Turn that shit off. I thought that was like a recording. Oh, that's right now, man. I don't want to hear that shit. Call back up. I don't want to hear that shit.